if you have videos on your phone and you want to upload them to your YouTube channel? I'm going to show you how. You need two things. You need a Google account with a YouTube channel. See our previous video for that. You also need the YouTube app to be installed on your phone. I'm going to show you how to do it both on iPhone and on Android, and when your video is local on your device, on your phone, or when it's not on your phone but it's in Google Photos. There is a way to do it. I'm going to start with the iPhone. So I want you to see that I do have the YouTube app and I'm signed in with our imaginary friend Danny's account. There is the YouTube app and I am definitely signed in with Danny Demo account. So to upload a video to his YouTube channel, I just tap the plus down in the bottom middle. And I am going to upload this video that he just recently took of his cousin Alice dancing with her daughter. So here is the video, and you just tap next. You can add a description, you can create a title, let's say Alice and daughter dancing. You can add a description if you want. Visibility, public, no. He wants to send this to Alice, but he knows that she's pretty private. She would not want other people to be able to happen upon her video. So this one I'm going to make private. And then, no, it's not made for kids. And upload video. So now that video has been uploaded to Danny's YouTube channel and it is private. Nobody in the world can see it except for Danny right now. Now he can go to his channel on the web interface and do a private invite to an individual person. We'll show you that in another video. Now I want to go to the Android and show you another example. What if you have a video that isn't on your device? It's just in your Google Photos. Now you could download it to your device and then share it the way I just showed you with the YouTube app, but there is another way. You still need the YouTube app to be installed on your device and for it to be signed in to the account where you want to upload the video. So let me just make sure that that is true. We have, there's our YouTube, and I do have it signed in as Danny. So that's good to know. I'm going to go to my Google Photos, and here is a video of kayaking in Venice, and Danny wants to share this with the world. Now, this was several years ago, so it is not on this phone. That was an older phone. It's just in Google Photos. I tap on the video in Google Photos and tap on Share. Now, I want to share it to YouTube. Not to a person, but to an app. Now, if YouTube doesn't show up for you right away, you might need to tap on More. Mine is right there, so I share to YouTube. Realize this is going to the YouTube app on the phone, which is signed in with Danny's account. Next. Add a title, Kayaking in Venice. And visibility, public. That is what I want for this one. Next. No, it's not made for kids. Upload video. That's all there is to it. So if you have any videos that you want to put on your YouTube channel, you can get them from your phone.